Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to analyze the loot boat token. So it has been making some noise lately, and the value of this token has been going up lately. So I thought that I should make a video about this project. And if you see the price of this token lately, then it has been bouncing back as well. So let's get started what the loot boat coin is, and uh, what what are the potentials for the long-term growth of this project. So let's get started. So but before we go and jump onto the white paper and website, let's see some important parameters about the market cap. So market cap is nearly 3.1 million, and also I will discuss quickly about the valuation. But before that, let's see this basic data. So circulating supply is nearly 8 million out of 10 million, so 80% is in the circulation, and fully diluted market cap is nearly $4 million. So these are the stats. So basically we'll first understand the valuation of this token, that what should be their yearly income. So if you have time to dig deeper into this project, then you will be able to find the valuation of this project. And again, let me be clear that valuation is not the only thing in this project. There are other things as well, like decentralization. So without decentralization, no project can survive, because in cryptocurrency market there are no regulations. So because it lacks regulation, only a couple of hundred people should be able to drive this project, and not the other way around, not couple of people but couple of hundred people. So in that scenario, it can be told as a decentralized network. So we'll discuss about that later in this video. But before that, let me tell you that if the market cap is nearly $3 million, then the yearly income of this project should be, yearly net profit should be nearly $300,000. So if $300,000 is the net profit, then you can say that this market cap is fairly valued. But if let's assume that the yearly net profit is $600,000, then you can say that market cap should be $6 million. So if you buy at this price, then it would be half of the price. So basically 10% of the market cap should be their yearly net profit, and accordingly to that net profit you can adjust the valuation. So that's it, I guess, for the valuation part and about the basic information of this project. And now let's get started with this project. So lootbot basically is a as you can read here, that lootbot is a telegram bot that automates on-chain interactions and acts as a streamlined front end for hundreds of chains. Anyone can create or follow automated tasks that could help with objectives such as airdrop farming. So basically this project is more about airdrop farming. So I found this beautiful article here which should inspire if you are looking to make money from the airdrop farming. So as the title suggests, that we made close to $1 million inside the murky world of airdrop farming. So I will just read couple of important things from this article. I will try to put the article's link in the description if you want to read further. But before that, let me read this quickly. Airdrop hunters aim to make money by speculating on potential airdrops and farming them in advance. So if you want to understand more about airdrop farming, then this article will not only inspire you but also help you understand what the airdrop farming is all about. So airdrop hunters aim to make money by speculating on potential airdrops and farming them in advance. While the tactic can be highly profitable, it comes with financial risk and ethical questions. So crypto airdrops are back with a vengeance. A truly crypto only phenomenon, airdrops involve the distribution of crypto tokens to early adopters of protocols and platforms. So this is a quite long article actually, but I will just read this testimony of one of the user. So we made close to $1 million, said a anonymous Russian individual known as Leo Research, referring to the total amount their team generated. Blur gave us something like $300,000, Arbitrum gave us around 180, and Aptos gave us around 125, and Optimism around 120. So this is some of the success stories in the airdrop farming. So during the crypto bull market, Leo Research focused on so this is the story of that particular firm, or anonymous firm, whatever you say. So apart from that, I read something interesting which would quickly help you understand what the airdrop farming is. So here I read something. Okay, so I didn't see it here, but basically what it means, airdrop farming means, is that you can bet on certain type of cryptocurrency projects who will and if you succeed on your bet, then you will be able to get some airdrop which newly launched cryptocurrency projects gives to their users in order to complete different tasks. So the task can be anything, for example completing certain transaction to maybe doing some other things, and these are the things which may require it to do if you want to go for it. So now if you see the loot bot, then the loot bot is your airdrop automated by loot bot. So zksync is one of the layer 2 protocol. I think I don't know all these projects. Of course I know Matic, how it works. I don't know about layer 0. I mean, I have heard about it, but I don't know how it works. But probably these all are some sort of layer 2 protocols on the Ethereum network. So because of this you will be able to do airdrop farming, and probably also do other stuff using the Telegram bot of Lootbot. So you may be able to provide liquidity as well. If I am not sure about it, but I think that because all this breach and swap and mint and staking and lending and all these stuffs are available here, so you will be able to do the same thing which you do on Uniswap and other things directly through your Telegram. Apart from that, I'm sure that you will also be able to participate in the airdrop farming of all these networks. So from zksync to Matic, and this is Taiko, and I think this is layer 0, and this one is linear. So all these are some sort of layer 2 protocols mostly. So if you don't know what layer 2 protocols is, then you can say that it is the similar version of Ethereum, but in a more decentralized, more quick and more developer friendly way. So most of these protocols are providing the same thing but with different features. So you can say that there are hundreds of social media apps right now. So you can say that these are the different social media apps, but with the Ethereum's touch. So basically with the Ethereum's technology instead of social media technology. So that's how you can understand all this. So apart from that, these are all the things which you can do using the Lootbot protocol. But again, let me be clear that this project is very, very powerful, I am sure. But if you are thinking with the perspective of investing in this project, then you will have to understand that the project should be decentralized. If the project is not decentralized, then the thing is that you will not be able to make money in the longer term. Even if the price spikes in the shorter term, it will be very hard for you to make money in the longer term, and more likely to lose the money if this protocol is not decentralized. What I mean by decentralization is that the protocol should be divided in, should be managed by the community of at least 100 people or more than that. Because if the community is not managing the project, then, and if the founders are managing the project, then what happens is, generally in most cases, I mean I'm talking about more than 98% cases, the things turn out to be pretty bad. So I'm not saying that the founders of this project are bad or they are going to do an exit scam, but generally when the community is managing the project, the long-term growth opportunity of the project is very powerful. And if the community is not managing the project, then the things will be very difficult. And that's why it is very essential to understand the importance of decentralization. So if 10 people are running the project, then it is always risky. But if there are 200 people running the project, then things will be very easy and safe for with your perspective, I mean with the investor's perspective, because you're going to put your hard-earned money into the protocol. So That's why it's very essential to understand all these important things like decentralization, which I keep talking about in my all the videos, I guess. So our solutions, loot bot features, make your airdrop farming a breeze. Our automated bot operates on various chains. So these are a couple of other features which you can definitely look into. So apart from that, this is not what I was looking for. Yeah, so this is loot bots white paper. I mean the docs, not the white paper, I guess, but the document section. So we are going to quickly look into it. But again, let me be clear, guys, that the decentralization of any cryptocurrency project is the key. Without the decentralization, I'm not saying that the projects will fail or will not grow. No, I'm not saying that. The thing what I'm trying to say is that project may suffer a lot, because most cryptocurrency projects always have great ideas. They find users, they find profit even, but in the end they are out of the market within 5 years or 10 years. And if the project is going to be out of the market in the 5 years, then it is very likely that you are not going to make money, because most of the money has already been made by the team or very early investors. So if you see here the chart of this protocol, you see most money has already been made here, like this. Most money has been made here. So and the team probably had it at almost a zero price. So you can say that the money has probably already made. Now if the project is going to succeed, then only decentralization can help this project or any cryptocurrency project succeed. So one of the best example of decentralized crypto project is, of course, one and only the Bitcoin is totally decentralized. And so when things are decentralized, people are willing to wait. So Bitcoin's transaction takes a lot of time. I think no other crypto takes 10 or 15 or 30 minutes, but Bitcoin takes 30 minutes, and still people are willing to do that transaction. Bitcoin fees are the highest, but still people are ready to pay for that, because Bitcoin is truly decentralized. So decentralization has enormous value, a tremendous value, and decentralized projects are going to change the world, not the project with the best ideas. Yeah, it is possible that couple of projects with super great ideas are going to be the next Google, Facebook or Amazon in the cryptocurrency market, but you can just count these projects at your fingertips. What about other projects? If you want to make money in other cryptocurrency projects, then decentralization is your only source. Decentralization is the only way you can control your risk and try to make money from it. So yeah, so let's get started now. So Lootbot is a powerful and innovative Telegram bot designed to streamline your airdrop participation. With Lootbot, you can securely and effortlessly discover, participate in, and track your airdrop farming journey across various all upcoming chains and protocols, all from the convenience of your Telegram app. So again, this airdrop farming in your Telegram is a very innovative approach, and most cryptocurrency users have their Telegram account, and they are probably in hundreds of different cryptocurrency Telegram groups. So that's why it is a perfect place to give access to people. But again, we are not sure that people would be comfortable using the Telegram and participate in all this airdrop farming or not. But of course, people are going to love it because it's one of the easier feature. So apart from that, Lootbot takes less than a minute to set up and completely automates your farming based on presets or customized patterns user can choose. So yeah, you will have to choose your different kind of patterns through which you want to you can choose which kind of projects will help you attain the airdrop farming. So I even heard a couple of guys who provide a lot of information and the structure and the design about how the airdrop farming will help, how, what kind of airdrops will help you, and how you can target the best of the projects and create and gain highest value from airdrop farming. So there are a couple of websites available as well, so you can try to search for them, that which websites can help you to find the data structure or give you the design which will help you to uh, gain best outcomes if you are interested in the airdrop farming. So why projects airdrop? So this is a pretty common I guess thing. You can go through it on the lootboats doc section if you want to go. So lootbot features, these are their features, and you can also go into that, and tasks and routes. So by nature, new protocols on emerging chains often lack proper technical documentation, including comprehensive API specifications. This absence significantly hinders the integration process for Lootbot. Without clear API guidelines, developers must invest additional effort in reverse engineering etc. So the list of protocols Lootbot will interact with is zksync, syncswap, goal3, and these are some of the other protocols. So I will just quickly go on the zksync's website. So if you want to know what zksync is, so basically, as you can see here, zksync is a layer 2 protocol. So let me just go here again. Yeah, so as you can read here, that zksync era is the layer 2 protocol that scales Ethereum's security and values through zero knowledge cryptography. We believe that the single most impactful way we can make this world better is by increasing people's freedom, and today freedom relies on cryptography. So this is basically what they're trying to say, is that they have a better blockchain and a faster transaction and more decentralized network, and they have a very powerful ecosystem and all that stuff which most layer 2 cryptocurrency projects will try to tell you. And of course, I'm not saying that this is something wrong. Everybody will do their best, and they probably have pretty solid projects already on their ecosystem. So if you click on the ecosystem, then you will see there are many different kinds of cryptocurrency projects. So they have this Balancer DeFi wallet, 1inch Network DeFi, Mute.io DeFi, Bitkip, this is a wallet, then Gnosis Safe, and all these projects are available for zkSync, which are probably available for other cryptocurrency projects, and they have many more projects here. So if you want to go and understand what zkSync is, then you can go here and try to understand. So I guess this is what I have for Lootbot video right now, and this is their I just tried to use the protocol. So I didn't spend any dollar on it because I didn't want to, and what you can see here is that how you can just simply have a start, write down start here, and then you can import your or create your wallet, and you will need some funds. So I just tried to create it here. So they will give you some wallets. Right now you can probably have 10 wallets, not more than that, and they ask you for a certain amount of Ethereum daily. So 0.04 Ethereum daily if you want to do airdrop farming uninterruptedly, and apart from that, you can these are some of the other data which they will provide you if you put some funds into it. So if you want to go for it, you can go for it. It's your choice. This is not an investment advice. My job here is to just tell you the truth, and the truth is that if you are thinking about investing in this project, then the valuation will matter, and the most important thing after valuation, or you can say as important as valuation, is the decentralization of the project. Is the community going to help project grow even if the founders decide to quit the project, or some of the founders leave the project? Will the community keep going on with the projects? Because the problem with most cryptocurrency projects is that the community dies. As soon as the team dies, community dies. As soon as teams give up, community gives up. So that is the biggest problem, and that's why so I'm not here to blame anyone. So the cryptocurrency market is definitely a very competitive market, and that's why I understand that it is very difficult for teams to keep going on without funds or with very limited amount of funds. But if the community supports the project, if community is truly decentralized, there are at least couple of hundred people who are truly passionate about the project. They are not thinking about the profit, because if there are smart investor, then they will probably think about decentralization, and once the decentralization is done, what will happen is the only thing will be left is profit. So the problem is that most investors focus on the profit, they are not focusing on the decentralization. So if you see historically in the world of finance, in the world of investing, then long-term investing approach has always worked for retail investors, and most retail investors in the stock market has made money from the long-term investing approach. And in the cryptocurrency market the same rule will apply, but the problem here is that the projects do not survive for the longer term. So if the project is not going to survive, let's assume this project, if it is not going to survive here for the longer term, then you cannot make money. So that's why for this project to survive for the longer term, all you need is only and only one thing, and that is the true decentralization of the project. So that's the reality, and the more you understand that reality, the better. So I hope you understood this project, and I hope that my video helped you a lot in order to understand this project. So I think that's what we will keep up about this video. Nothing else is there. If you want to join my Telegram group, then you can join here. I will put the link in the description about my Telegram group as well, because we are also trying to create a decentralized cryptocurrency project, and the more, so this will be the exclusive community which will be available for the people who are going to join our protocol, and of course you will have to pay for it. But the goal here is to create something which is truly decentralized. So the concept of the project will also be decided by the community, and everything right from the start will be done by the community. So another important thing is that we'll also try to keep growing the community, and I'll join my Telegram group and keep watching my videos if you want to know more about my project. So yeah, that's all we have right now for this video, nothing else. I hope you enjoyed this video. I try to talk and make sense in my videos, because I know that it is very difficult for most investors to find the true path, and valuation and long-term investing approach has always worked, and they will also work in the cryptocurrency market as long as you know how to achieve that path. So yeah, so please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to join this general Telegram group. Take care, see ya, bye bye.